In this video, we're going to talk about vertical angles, and we are actually going to draw a problem for us to solve. Now, vertical angles are non-adjacent angles formed by intersecting lines. So what we mean by non-adjacent is that they're not next to each other. So if you notice these arch marks, this represents which angles are congruent. So notice it says opposite angle pairs are congruent or the same to each other. Okay? So that means that these two angles here are congruent to each other because they're opposite of each other, which makes them the same. And these two angles here are congruent to each other, making them the same. Now let's do a problem to see how this applies. So if I have two line segments here intersecting, and I have 6x plus 4 and this angle, and 40 here, well, I know that both of these angles are vertical angles, and therefore they are congruent because they are opposite angle pairs of my vertical angle, which means that I can write this as part is equal to part, which means that 6x plus 4 is equal to 40. Now it's just an algebra problem, so I subtract 4 from each side, get my zero pair, and I'm left with 6x is equal to 36. I can divide both sides by 6, and I'm left with x equals 6. And that is how you do that problem. We can check it by plugging it into 6x plus 4. So 6 times 6 plus 4 should equal 40. And so I have 36 plus 4 equals 40, and 40 equals 40. So I can confirm that my answer is correct. And that is how you use vertical angles to solve problems.